Hey guys, it's Linda back again with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new e.l.f. Cookies and Dream collection. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look and an honest review of all the products, keep on watching. First things first, the packaging in this collection is amazing. I don't know about you guys, but cookies and cream is by far my favorite ice cream flavor. I don't care what you guys say, it is top tier flavor for me. So I was really hooked just off of the packaging alone. So I'm gonna show you each product and how I used it and my impressions. So the first thing I did was skin prep. I thought that this face mask was so delicious looking. Milkshake overnight mask. Look at how delicious that looks. Like, I seriously just want to eat it. It literally looks like a cookies and cream milkshake. So right away, this product comes out super creamy and it spreads out so nicely. The smell and the texture literally feels like a cookies and cream milkshake too. It is so sweet smelling and it just feels so creamy. I definitely enjoyed this product and felt like it left my skin feeling very soft. Next, in skin prep, I used the Cookie Crumble Exfoliator. I loved how this felt on the lips. It did not hurt at all. This is very nice. I love the texture for exfoliating the lips. I think that this was gentle enough to not tear away at the skin of your lips, but definitely exfoliating enough to make your lips really soft. Next is this Just the Cream Putty Primer. I love the packaging of this primer. It looks so delicious and it feels so great. Patting it into the skin really allowed to fill in all of the pores. I really like this. The smell is very sweet, like a milkshake, and the texture is very similar to their other putty primers, and I really like how it sits on the face. It doesn't feel super sticky, but it definitely fills in the pores. Next in the collection, I got the 3 brushes. These were really nice. I personally just always have liked e.l.f. brushes. I think that they're very high quality and very easy to use. The brush packaging is so beautiful. The marble detail, the fluffiness of the bristles, everything was really great. I love the variety that they give in this collection. We have our little fluffy brush for blending, and we have 2 denser brushes, one that's round and one that's more flat. Next was honestly the highlight of the collection for me. This gorgeous palette is called Cookies. I think that they swatched really well and were very great quality. Using the fluffy brush, I grabbed the light brown color and used that as my transition, blending it above my crease and all over. With the same fluffy brush, I'm going to grab the darker brown color and apply it in the same crease area in circular motions to get a great blend on the crease. Now, grabbing the denser round brush, I'm going to pack in the darkest black color. If you pat it into your skin, tapping allows for better control of the product and less fallout. Going back to the fluffy brush, buff out the eyeshadow to blend harsh edges. Now, using the dense flat brush, we are going to pack on the matte white color. Again, it's very important to tap product to get the best use out of this eyeshadow, and then you blend it out with the fluffy brush. For the quality of these eyeshadow pigments, these brushes are actually really perfect for these eyeshadows. So for the mattes, which are these 2 and these 2, I recommend fluffy brushes. I think that they blended really well with fluffy brushes. Now, For the shimmers, these two and these two, I would recommend the denser brushes just because they pack on color better. Next in the collection, I absolutely fell in love with these. These are the No Budge eyeshadow sticks. I got all 4 colors. Right away, these eyeshadow sticks really apply so creamy and easily. You're gonna love them. So the lighter colors are just the flat, light blue and white colors, and then the darker colors are more shimmer metallic colors. So this is the black and this is the brown, and they have a very subtle sheen of glitter. For this eye look, I'm using the blue eyeshadow stick. I use this as a trick to cut my crease. So I just draw on my crease line all over the lid, and then I set it with eyeshadow. So I'm using the dense flat brush, packing on that metallic light blue color and setting my eyeshadow. The best color payoff is to tap the shadow, not swipe. Now using the black eyeshadow stick, I'm drawing my eyeliner right at my lid, and then I'm setting it with the darkest eyeshadow to give it a nice smoky effect. Next, I'm grabbing the white eyeshadow stick and putting that in my waterline as an eyeliner. These are amazing. They are extremely pigmented and easily blendable. And I personally love eyeshadow sticks. I have a lot of them, and specifically the e.l.f. brand eyeshadow sticks are my favorite. I think they just make cut creases so much easier. Not only are these eyeshadow, I think these are great to use as eyeliner. I use the black on the top and the white inside my waterline, and it works fabulously. So the next product in the Cookies and Dream collection, the single scoop face sponge. I am obsessed with e.l.f. face sponges. I 100% believe that these are the best facial sponges, even better than some really expensive beauty sponges. I love how much they expand after you wet them. Just to give you an idea of how much it has expanded, this is the box that it came in, and it doesn't even fit in it anymore. So if you guys didn't know, the best way to use any of your beauty sponges is to dampen them with water, or you can use some kind of facial mist or setting spray, but I personally just use water. And then you get it to this really bouncy consistency. And this bounce is really what blends your makeup so nicely so that you look airbrushed. And I also think that this is really what helps you preserve all of the product, because the sponge isn't going to absorb your foundation because it's already has water inside of it. So your foundation just settles on the outside and it doesn't go inside. So it just gives that really, I don't know if you guys can see, but look at that bounce. It really gets into the crevices and it just blends the face so nicely. I love this sponge. So definitely get it for yourself. And if you can't get this specific one, any e.l.f. face blender is amazing. They are all great. Last but certainly not least is the Cookies and Dream lip glosses. So I picked up the color Cookie Dream Cookie. I just personally thought this was such a unique color because I don't have anything like this in my collection. It is a black lip gloss with some sparkles. This is such a unique color. The black gives you a really nice sheen on the lips. It is so beautiful, and I really do think that this would look nice on any skin color. The texture isn't too sticky, and it just wears so comfortably. You can wear it alone or on top of a lipstick or a lip liner, and I think it would look amazing. This was definitely a win for me. I know for a fact that I'm gonna be using this a lot. So that is all for today's review and tutorial on the Cookies and Dream collection by e.l.f. I purchased this collection on my own. It is not sponsored, and I can honestly say that I loved everything in this collection. Let me know what you guys thought of this collection. Have you tried it out, or are you going to purchase it? And what were your favorite products? If you guys would like to see more looks using this collection, leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you're new to the Livin' La Vida Linda family, Please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell if you'd like to get updates every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.